So the other day I was prompted by a lady to dig into my actual why. And I've posted about that experience on LinkedIn, and I have decided that I wanted to do a video about it as well. So the reason I do what I do is because haha, I think I was covering the microphone with my thumb for a moment. That's what happens when you want to use your arm and your phone. And I sometimes look into the screen rather than the the camera lens. I'm using my phone, as you can imagine, to shoot this video with. And if I happen to stumble across my words or slur them, I just want to tell you straight away that I speak 6 languages. English is the 4th language I ever learnt to speak. And sometimes my tongue does not want to do what I intended to do. I was born in Denmark. And as it happens, this little image here is my paternal grandfather, who would make these types of menus each and every single day. He was at our summer house in Sweden. So back to my why. I had a mother who was a ceramist. Haha, how curious, you can see me reflected there. What fun. Yeah, this is what happens when you decide to film just like that. I had a mother who was a world-renowned ceramist, and as a child, I would sometimes hear her speaking of people copying her work, and she expressing not knowing what to do about it. And then afterwards, either as I studied the law or when I had finished, I can't remember exactly when, there was another situation where somebody had copied her work. Well, actually, she had told the person unwittingly how she achieved a certain look or texture or whatever it was. And she told in great detail what it was that she did. Not very clever, if you ask me. But then again, you know, that's what she was like. She's in pure positive energy form now. She's no longer in her physical body, so I can talk about this without harming her. And either which way, you know, I would never be harming my mother knowingly. And, you know, I would talk to my mother about these things, and she was like, oh, but there's nothing that can be done about it. And that is just so not true, because there are things to be done about it. And one of the things is that you can say to people, you know what, you're actually infringing upon my rights here. That is one way of doing it. You can also make sure that you've got a trademark and that you have it registered and that you uphold the criteria or keep up with the criteria. I can't speak English today. I don't know what's going on. And either which way, you have to uphold certain criteria and you have to comply. Maybe comply is more correct. You have to comply with certain criteria in order to keep your trademark active and alive, so to speak. And it's so important. And I keep looking at myself. It's so curious. I'm not that, it's not me that is interesting. I'm looking, maybe it's actually this that's distracting me a little bit. So yeah, there are things to be done, and don't feel that you are at the mercy of infringes, because that is really not true. There are things to be done. So you can contact somebody like me and talk to me about what can be done. And if you don't have a trademark, then I have a 12-week masterclass. And it sounds like it's a lot, but actually 12 weeks fly by in a flash. And it's not every single day, so you will be perfectly fine in that. So ping me a message, and I will send you in the right direction for that. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to wherever you find it and press the bell or whatever it's called so that you get the notifications and are updated with all that I am doing. Anyway, have a fantastic Monday. It's late afternoon here in the UK, so have a fantastic day and a fantastic week ahead of you. Thank you for watching. Over and out. Bye.